Hello students, કેમ છો? મજામાં બધા? I hope you all are good. So I just ask those who don't know Gujarati, I just ask like how are you all? Are you all good? I hope you're doing good. Okay? So yeah guys, so in this video I'm gonna discuss about all the changes which ACCA has brought into their exams. Okay? So talking about in detail, like ECCA right now all these one disclaimer, all these changes are applicable for 2027. Okay, that to September. Okay, so it's not now. You don't have to worry about it now. Okay. So if I talk about the foundation exams, so for foundation exams they have decreased the number of people. Yes, that's amazing thing which they have made. So right now there are 7 papers a student has to give. Okay, for foundation level. The foundation level is for those who are from non-commerce background and those who have scored less than 65%. Okay, 65% in the maths accounts. Okay, 65 marks, even English. So they have to sit for the foundation level. So ACCA has reduced the number of papers from 7 to 3. So that's amazing change, right? But now if I talk about if I talk about the knowledge level, yeah, okay, I'm so sorry. Yeah, let me come back. After completing the foundation level, you will get to attempt a module. You have to attempt a module which is enterprise and entrepreneurship. Once you do this diploma in accounting and business, this is the degree which you will get it. Okay, so that's an amazing thing which ACCA has brought up to make sure that ACCA stands at somewhere. Those students who are doing ACCA, they get recognition at some point. Okay, even at the initial stage. See, look at this. So this is what award and this is the designation which you're gonna get it. Now coming on to the knowledge level. Okay, this is the most important. Yeah. So coming on to the knowledge level. Now right now in knowledge level there are 4 papers. So which are they? One is your BT, FA, MA, and yeah, these three are your papers. Now here also there are 3 papers, but into your skill level there was one more paper which was corporate law. Corporate law. Corporate law. Okay. Now what ACC has done this, they have removed the BT paper. BT is no more that, but the corporate law, which was a part of the skill level, which is here, business law. So your first paper, FA, financial accounting, that's the same thing. Management accounting, that's the same thing. Okay, and K3, which is business law, that is your corporate law. Now, once you're done with this, you have to again go for a module. Now, if you don't complete this module, you cannot move further. That's the point over here. Okay. Now, you have to give responsible business management module. Now, you will, once you're done with that, you will get higher diploma in accounting and business, certified accounting technician position, you will get it. Okay, designation, that's what you will get it. Now, if I talk about the benefits, okay, if I talk about the benefits of the module, first thing, those who have this thing in your mind that if you fail into that module, you're gonna have to repay the fees. No, 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 you don't have to repay any fees. It's just that once you fail, you can reattempt it without it paying any fees. Now, this module is just like the courses which you used to do in the Coursera or any other platform, right? So you just have to study and give sit for the test. That's not how the module is. Now what is the benefit? See, from the starting point only, ACCA is gonna make sure that you have enough skills to sit for job. Okay, because recently if I see the market, those students who get ranks or okay, not I'm not, I hope I'm not starting any controversy over here, but I'm talking about those students who are rattu tota. I mean, just go for a rattu tota and then they get good marks. Completing 9 papers for them is still manageable, but when they come on to skill, experience level, it's difficult for them. But students are getting job after 9 papers, right? So here the problem with the companies are they don't know how to apply skills. They don't know software knowledge. They don't know how to use AI. They don't know how to use system Microsoft very well. So I hope ECCA is gonna focus on this from the beginning itself, so that it's not a pile up of the skills you need to get at the end. Okay. Now, if I talk about the expertise level, which is the same skills level, so right now it's a skills level. So this is This will just be changed to expertise level. In expertise level, you have to appear the same thing, like there is no change. It's just that one paper is removed. So one paper is removed from here, one paper is removed from here, one paper is transferred over here, okay, over the knowledge level. And if I talk about the expertise level, taxation, which is tax FR, you have the same. Audit double A, which is double A, you have the same thing. Audit, risk and control. Finance and investment, this is FM paper, okay. And then you have PM, which is performance with the data analysis. That's a great change I feel ACCA has made up. Okay, data analysis. Like if I tell, there's a there's a still some minor gap available if I find students who couldn't get job because when it comes to interview, they're not able to crack the interviews. So I hope these papers are gonna help you out with all of those problems. Okay. So yeah, this is same your PM paper. Now once you're done with this PM paper, you have to again go for a module. That is digital tech and innovation. So yeah, here you see. Now see, you might think like every time we have to sit for a module. Yes, that's a beauty. Like ACCA is always gonna make sure they have to follow a standard. Like they have a standard. They're not gonna they don't want ACCAs to be outdated. Those students or those professionals who are doing ACCA, they don't want them to get outdated. So that's why they're coming up with these changes. Now these changes are good for you. Don't take it as punishment. I know students are like in my regular batches, like, ma'am, they have lot of module every state. Now they have decreased the paper size. I mean, number of papers. What shall we do? Should we drop ACC and start in 2027? Mm-mm. No, no, no. I'm gonna come up onto that question later on. But yeah. So once you complete this, you will get advanced diploma in accounting and business. So if you see, you have to complete 8 papers over here, and you will get advanced diploma in accounting and business and professional into BSc. Now, if you still remember, do you remember BSc Oxford Brook University? BSc Oxford Brook. Once you like that is available till November 2025, and it's already June. So I hope, I guess, I'm sorry, it is available till November 26th. My bad. Now it's already June. The deadlines are already gonna be closed down. So that's a downside of it. You used to appear for a thesis and you can get a degree from Oxford Brook University. Now you will not get later on. Now ACC can review their MOU and whatever the documentation rules and regulations, but as of now we know that that's not gonna be available. But the best part is you're gonna get the diploma, advanced diploma in accounting and business professional in BSc. So yes, you at least recognize this level is at least recognized as per the like till graduation. Okay. Now if I talk about professional level, so for professional level they have made an amazing change. Your SBR and SBL. SBR, this is strategic business and sustainability reporting. That's the same SBR, okay. And SBR, you still have sustainability related questions, okay. So that's the changes they have made. And if I talk about SBL, that's also a compulsion paper which you have to definitely give. Now, if I talk about the option paper, see what changes they have made. You have to sit for only one optional paper. Right now, you have to sit for two optional papers, which is any two out of advanced taxation, advanced financial management, advanced performance management, or from AAA. I mean, advanced auditing and assurance. Okay. Now, out of five, so they have really given wonderful options. Audit and assurance for professionals, this is same as your triple A, right? Corporate finance professional, this is same as your AFM. This is an amazing change which they have made. Data science professional, okay. So this is a something new subject which I feel is very much required change to bring up ACCA, to make sure that ACCA as in professionals are technically sound as well. I mean, technologically sound as well. Okay, they are not outdated. So that's an amazing change. I really wish I could also have appeared for it. Okay, but yeah, good for the people who are gonna sit for it in 2027. Now coming on to this is SPI professional performance and the insights professional. This is your APM paper, okay. And if I talk about STA, this is your same ATX knowledge, ATX paper. So they have just changed the name. ATX advisory professional. Yeah, makes sense because in ATX you need to appear on a paper in a way that you're giving advice to someone else, not just like draft the rules. No, no, no. They test your application skills. So that makes sense that they have changed the paper names. That's it. Okay. So nothing to be scared of it over here. Now, if I talk about you have to sit for another module that is ethical sustainable leadership. So yeah, that is similar like to your EPSM, na? Yeah, you have to make sure you attempt this. Once you are done with this, you will get an ACCA Accountancy Professional MSc. If you remember, once you're done with ACCA, you can get MSc, but you have to apply further. Okay, now once you're done with this module, you can directly get MSc certificate. So that's an amazing change, right? Don't take it as a punishment to those who are studying right now. This is beneficial. Okay. Okay. All right. I hope you understood. Now coming on to, yeah, these are the changes. I mean, just look at this. So here you can give it a read, okay? If I talk about the experience, you still have to record for 36 months of experience. That should be supervised a professional. A supervised a professional, it's not ACCA is not saying it should be supervised by ACCA only. No. Any chartered accountancy professional can sign your APER. They should apply their number, and that's how they will start, sign your PER process. And there are 9 skills which you should satisfy if you talk about here. So yeah, you still have to go for your PER. Any further changes into PER, they are gonna reveal that super soon. Okay, so please wait. Meanwhile, please make sure you are working towards your PER right now. Okay. Now, if I talk about the knowledge, so yeah, just a second. Hmm. Now, if I talk about what are your benefits, okay, if I talk about it, first question today I got it from my regular students. Ma'am, we just started with the knowledge level. Shall we continue? Isn't it better if I do it in 2027? Now, you think. Can you see right now there is a bubble for ACCA? Everyone, like I see many people wants to do ACCA. ACCA bubble is gonna be that. So if you think that you're gonna start with after 2 years, don't you think you're gonna waste your time? Don't do it. Start your ACCA journey now. About BD paper, don't be worried about this BD. See, in my SBL classes, I suggest students that you do not need to pick up your study text and read it. Like your like I cover enough knowledge in the videos. I mean in the sessions itself, so they don't need to go for study text. Okay, but if you have studied BD, that is going to be helpful in your SBL paper later on. So don't take it as a punishment that you have to do it now. Okay. So you are at a safer side. You will have a lot of knowledge. So that's a benefit. So I would say yes, you have to do it now. Now see, look at this. Right now it's June. I mean, let's consider July. So from July to December, there are almost 6 months. If I talk about someone who is starting 6 months, you should write like giving all the 3 papers, clearing 3 papers within these period. So your knowledge level will be done by that time. Now, if I talk about your attempts, okay, so you will have further. Just a second. So you will have further March attempt. I mean March 26, June 26, September 26, your December 26, your March again 27, your June 27. So yeah, that's it. After that, that's gonna be changed now. That's gonna be September 27 changes. So see, if you see carefully, how many attempts are there? One, two, three. I mean three, four, five, six. Okay. So if there are 6 attempts, do you really think you should waste out? No, you should not. By the time you're coming onto it, you are definitely gonna be done with your skill level. It's very it's manageable. Don't worry. Skill level only has 6 papers right now, so it's very much feasible for you to do it. Don't worry, you are not exceeding the time, or you are not, it's not that you are on the downside. No, you will be completed by six paper. I'm considering that a student is not missing out on attempts. Okay, now it's okay that if you get a backlog, or if you don't clear any one paper in any one window, you can resit for that paper and give for two papers. Okay, so that is a strategy which we'll discuss in the which I'll be discussing in the next video. Okay, another videos, well, where I'll say that how can you manage your two papers at one go. Okay, so yeah, first thing, you should not waste your time. And second question I get is, should we do for PER? Yeah, you should continue with your PER. So understand, this change is gonna be coming up after 2 years. There are very high chances that something might get changed, differently. PER might have a drastic change as well. We don't know. We cannot predict as well. So you should start recording your PER, which is almost 2 years. So if any change is coming up favorable for you, if they are also discussing about launching a module which is gonna be for 6 months, which will reduce your PER time. But still, there is no detail available. Okay, so don't rely on this. So if this is the truth, if this comes up actually, then you only have to do for 6 months, which is beneficial for many people, like especially those who want to change their profession or want to do for anything else. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it about in this video. I hope I've covered all your general queries, and in case you have any more queries, please feel free to comment down. I'm going to answer all of them. And of course, I remember I need to shortly post a video on the strategy how can you manage two papers in one go when you're into dilemma whether you have completed or not. So yeah, I'm going to shortly do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure you like this video and comment how did you whether you liked it or not, and whatever your queries are, please make sure you comment down. Okay, and please share this with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content. And soon I'm planning to launch something surprise. Not gonna reveal it, not gonna spill the wins right now. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it. Bye bye, have a good day, all the best. Yeah, that's it.